Hello everyone, we the members of the SPECS Committee of Computer Science and Engineering Department have conducted various activities under the guidance of Miss Annapurna ma'am and our department HOD Professor Damian Anthony De Mello. By conducting such programs, it brings out a sense of confidence and an interaction between the seniors and the juniors. I would also like to say that by being a member of this committee, it has shown us what skills or ability we could achieve through it.
Namaste, this is Yashaswini. Yes, talking about specs, I think it is the best part of my engineering life. After joining CEC, I was just concentrated on my studies, but making myself a member of a specs gave me a lot of opportunities. Like it made me to how to organize an event whenever you give a freshers party or a branch entry or any other events like visiting the government schools. And it is just not only a visiting, because we learned how to be involved and get accompanied with the students and to know about what actually a social cause means. It helped personally, it helped me to grow myself, and I'm able to do some charity works or any other works. It's due to the specs, and thank you for that.
Hey guys, my name is Naresh. I was part of the SPECS committee, and if you ask me, being an engineer, we are always expected to have much more than academic skills. And a committee like SPECS just provides us the right opportunity where we get to learn interpersonal skills, and also as a person altogether we improve a lot. So I had a really great time being part of SPECS, and I was much more confident about myself. And it was just a great experience altogether, because I got to connect to so many new people. I was able to understand, and I got a new perspective towards the life. So I would like to thank CS Department and Canara Engineering College for such a great opportunity, which helps us to explore outside our classrooms. So thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Likita and I have been in SPECS committee for last 4 years. SPECS, which was actually started to provide a platform for students to discover his passion and also to connect socially with peers in society. Right from the beginning, we got an opportunity to be a part of SPECS committee. Initially, technical trainings, webinars and seminars were arranged by our seniors, which strengthened our basics. It also widened our knowledge in the various fields. Later was when we got an opportunity to lead the team. With the help of faculties, we have arranged lots of cultural and also social programs in our college. Laterwards, we have also organized numerous number of government school visits and also had a visit to special schools and so on. And through SPECS, over 4 years, we acquired a relevant skills and experience. SPECS strengthened our technical as well as interpersonal skills like teamwork, leadership skills, communication skills and etc. It also inculcated a sense of social responsibility in us, which has and will help us to compete in this corporate world. And I really appreciate each and every experience I got through this SPECS, and I am very grateful to our department for providing us this opportunity of being a part of this community.
I am am Reema Goyes, a 2019 graduate and currently working in Mindtree Limited, Bangalore. So I was part of Specs committee for 2 years, that is 3rd and 4th year of my engineering. During these 2 years, I have, along with my friends, conducted different activities, also organized different events for Made-Be juniors like Freshers Day and Branch Entry, for seniors farewell. Along with this, we have visited different schools, also a disabled kids school, which was an unforgettable day. During these events, not only dance and singing, but also we get an opportunity to speak or anchor the events, also conduct the games or activities to different students. Along with that, we write speeches and deliver, which increases our writing skill as well as our stage fear will be reduced. Due to these events, I have met a lot of seniors, juniors, super juniors. We sat together and creatively planned for different events, and all these events were of great success. So during 4 years of engineering, this Specs committee was a stress reliever. So I would like to tell to my future batches that would come to CEC to join this and actively participate in this Specs committee, so that they organize more events than we had organized, also create opportunities to students to open up and create great memories. Thank you.